So the most valuable skill and technique was case selection, I think, in my opinion. I think, the doctor, the anesthetist, had really explained well how to pick a case, how to pick a good case, a safe case, and make sure you're doing things appropriately, which I think is very important. I think anyone can give nitrous to anyone, and it's important to be able to select what type of patients will respond well to it, and what patients are contraindicated, of course. So I think really important lesson that maybe some other courses skipped. So I think very important skill that one. So the hands-on training, the one thing that stood out to me was making sure everyone got an opportunity to have an attempt and even experience it. And I think it's really important to be able to know what it is you're giving to patients and have a good attempt at it, and even have it done to yourself, to have it, to understand what it's like, what the patient's going to go through, what they're going to feel. It's really important to have that empathy to be able to communicate that with your patients as well. So it's really nice that they had all the apparatus and the equipment and the room and the available space and the staff to be able to provide that, because I think that's invaluable. Yeah, 100% I would recommend this course. I think it's a great course. I think you learn a lot of good CE credits, and I think it's very well thought, very well organized. You're covered, all your bases are covered, and they hone in on what's most important, which I think is key. So overall experience was really good. They took care of you the whole time. It was very, very organized. They told you exactly what the next steps would be, what to expect over the next couple months, even in the industry as a whole, which is, what I think is amazing. Having insider tips like that was fantastic. And just overall, the course was very well organized. They sent you information in advance, the constant communication with you, which I thought was really helpful, and nothing was ever left questioned or in the dark. So, really good experience.